Shivrasingh Children Academy. This is your second video related to chapter 16, that is safety. Okay. In first video we had already discussed the concept of safety, and in this video we will cover our textbook exercises, that is on page number 120 and 121. So let's start. First exercise is spell bee. First is spell bee. So read aloud the following words and write them. And write them twice. First word is sharp. SHARP. Sharp यानी कि पेना. Okay? Sharp. This word you have to write 2 times in your textbook, that is on page number 120. Students, please open your EVS textbook and start writing. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Second word is electrical. 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 This also we have to write 2 times. So start writing. Electrical, electrical. Okay. Now the third word is dangerous. Third word is dangerous. Students, this also we have to write 2 times. Dangerous, dangerous. Fourth word is stranger. 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 Stranger means ajnabi. So stranger we have to write 2 times. Stranger, stranger. Okay. In this way you have to write the other words also. Okay. Now the second exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First fill up is never play with matchsticks, you will get. Never play matchstick. Matchstick समझते हो बच्चों? Matchsticks you will get. You may get dash. Second question is touching electrical. Touching electrical gadgets with wet hands. With wet hands can be dash. Third one is in the school In the school, never jump on desk and you may fall. Fourth one is always obey desk rules. And the fifth one is never give your details to an deaf person. So students, never play mistakes. You may get desk, you may get burn. Yes, with matchstick you may get burn. So never play with matchsticks. Okay. Touching electrical gadgets with wet hands can be death. हम अगर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिकल चीज अपने गीले हाथों से अगर टच करेंगे तो क्या होगा, वो हमारे लिए डेंजरस होगा. सो इट कैन बी डेंजरस. ओके. इन द स्कूल नेवर जंप ऑन डैश एंड डैश यू मे फॉल. In the school, never jump on desks and chairs. So, never jump on desks and chairs. Always obey desk rules. Yes, always obey traffic rules. So, we have to always obey traffic rules. Never give your details to an deaf person. हमें कैसे लोगों को अपने बारे में डिटेल्स नहीं देनी चाहिए? टू एन अननोन पर्सन, जिसको हम नहीं जानते, उसको हमें अपने बारे में या अपनी फैमिली के बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देनी चाहिए. सो नेवर गिव योर डिटेल्स टू एन अननोन पर्सन. ओके. नाउ पेज नंबर 121. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हमें क्या करना है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन पे टिक करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज विच शुड बी डन व्हाइल प्लेइंग ऑन द स्विंग्स. विच शुड बी डन while playing on the swings. And your options are A. Push, B. Jump, C. Wait for your turn. Wait for the turn. Second question is which of these should be used to sharpen a pencil. To sharpen a pencil. Options are sharpener, B. Knife, C. Screwdriver. Third one is which of the following is Which of the following is correct regarding the road? Regarding the road. First one is run. Second is be alert. And third one is play. So students, tell me, question number first is which should be done while playing on the swing? जब आप झूले पे खेलते हो तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? पुश, किसी को धक्का देना चाहिए, जंप, कूदना चाहिए, सी वेट फॉर द टर्न, या हमें अपनी पारी का इंतजार करना चाहिए. सो टिक ऑन दिस, you have to wait for your turn. Now the second one is which of these should be used to sharpen a pencil? हमें अपनी पेंसिल को शार्प करने के लिए किस चीज़ का यूज़ करना चाहिए? शार्पनर का, नाइफ का या स्क्रू ड्राइवर का? Yes, that is sharpener. Okay. Now third one is which of the following is correct regarding the road? रोड के रिगार्डिंग इन तीनों ऑप्शंस में क्या सही है? रोड पे हमें दौड़ना चाहिए? नहीं. खेलना चाहिए? नो. बी अलर्ट, हमें सावधान रहना चाहिए ना रोड पर. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, exercise 4, that is true or false. Students, fourth exercise is write true or false. Now I am going to write the statement and you have to tell me whether it is true or false. First one is it is safe. It is safe to touch electric switches with wet hands, So you have to tell me whether it is true or false. Second one is it is dangerous to play on the road. It is dangerous to play on the road. Third one is red light of the traffic signal says go. Third one is red light of the traffic signals says go. Is it true? Fourth, we should never talk to a stranger in the park. We should never talk to the stranger at park. Is it true or false? Fifth one is we should not run on the stairs. We should not run on the stairs. Yes. First one is it is safe to touch electric switches with wet hand. इज इट सेफ स्टूडेंट? अगर हम अपने गीले हाथों से इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर को टच करेंगे, क्या वो हमारे लिए सेफ रहेगा? यस, इट शुड बी डेंजरस, सो द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. Students, please write in your textbook also. Second one is, it is dangerous to play on the road. रोड पे खेलना हमारे लिए हानिकारक हो सकता है. Yes, so the statement is true. Third one is, red light of the traffic signal says go. Red light क्या शो करता है? Stop. And green light shows go. So the statement is false. Fourth one is, we should never talk to the stranger at park. हमें पार्क में किसी अजनबी से बात नहीं करना चाहिए. So statement क्या है? True. We should not run on the stairs. हमें सीढ़ियों पर दौड़ना नहीं चाहिए. So we should not run on the stairs. The statement is correct. So we will write true. Now students, fifth exercise is unscramble the words. Unscramble the words, you have to do it yourself. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Till then, bye bye.